At Grundfos, we have created an industry museum that tells 75 years of engineering history. Epson projectors have played a vital role in creating a great atmosphere when we showcase our technologies. The lighting is unique in each of the installations. Here we are projecting a man in full figure on a transparent screen, and he tells about the technology.
For this project, we have chosen the Epson projectors because they have a long lifespan and they give a very colorful and bright picture. The projectors just blends in. The only time you see them is the effects, the pictures they're giving.
There's a bright natural light in this museum, so we need powerful light sources. And the 20 small Epson LightScene projectors can create beautiful images even in bright daylight. The museum is one of a kind. We have 14 installations of extraordinary inventions, and it's all exhibited in the original factory building. This exhibit simulates die casting with liquid aluminium, where smoke, steam and light creates an impressive, almost lifelike experience.
It is a very impressive experience. The solutions are discreet and subtle, but the result is very powerful.